Why did the Quran describe the front of the head as being lying and sinful? Why didn't the Quran say that the person was lying and sinful? What is the relationship between the front of the head and lying and sinfulness? If we look into the skull at the front of the head, we will find the prefrontal area of the cerebrum, and it is responsible for the man's character and which controls his or her behavior and actions of truthfulness and lying, right and wrong, and which if subjugated, man's behavior can be controlled through it. Also,